The Grasshopper course is a series of tutorials and definitions which will help designers and architects to learn Grasshopper faster and easier. And we have different topics. Sometimes we will cover Rhino, but mainly it's Grasshopper tutorials. We will also talk about optimization, jewelry, mechanisms, 3D printing, or even mathematics. First of all, you can find the latest lessons by clicking on the latest lessons and also going to the Parametric House website. And you can see after entering the latest lessons, you can see the latest lessons which has been added to the course. And by clicking on a lesson, you can also find more information about that. Watch a small video about the intro, know about how minutes the video is, how many megabytes it is for downloading, and you can enter the course by this button. The main page is also accessible by the course menu here, and after you can enter the course, you can see a page like this, a small description of the lesson and the course, the latest lesson added, which you can also look at more of those and know more about the lessons by just clicking on the load more. The three different section which is in the course: Grasshopper modeling, advanced tutorials, and definition library, which is explained here, and testimonials will be added here. Okay, so about the course is that the course is a 3-month subscription. It has a support which you can also add your questions on the support page, or simply just click on the blue icon, chat icon, and blue chat icon, and chat with me if you have any questions. The next important thing about the course is that the lessons are accessible here for the users, but those who are not subscribed to the course also can know more about the lessons. You can see here the sections and the path. You can watch the intro, which is basically the same video you just watched here, and you can also know a little bit about the lessons. Those who just subscribe to the lesson can find something like this. When they go to their profile, they can see that there's a Grasshopper course here, and there's also 93 days. You can see here the days that you have subscribed to this package. And if you enter the lesson or the course, you can see that if I enter the Grasshopper course and I'm the member of this course, you can see that I have access to the lesson. So if I go to the sections and path, you can see that I can download the video, I have the lesson attachments, and I also have the tools. About the sections, there are 3 sections for the course. Grasshopper modeling will help you to improve your understanding of Grasshopper, your parametric design skills. So first of all, start with these lessons. So if you want to understand more about Grasshopper, you should start with the Grasshopper modeling section. The next section is the advanced tutorials. You can see there is 6 parts here, or 5 parts here. The geometry and mathematics. The tutorials about geometry and mathematics will be added here. There is also an optimization section, which you can see that a shell optimization, structural optimization tutorial has been added here. About kinetic architecture, we will cover mechanisms, Arduino, and different topics in the kinetic architecture. The jewelry section will be tutorials about jewelry, so you can check the first tutorial, which is 60 minutes about parametric rings here. And the accessories section will just cover different parametric modeling of accessories, something like clocks or tables, and different things here. Okay, so the last part is the definition library. The Grasshopper course users can have the definitions, which is simply, you can see that how this parametric lamp works. Also download the definition, or for the patterns, you can see you can have a look of how to use it. This is the YouTube videos you can watch, and you can also download the definition. So the definitions will be added into the definition library, and the advanced tutorials in this section, and the basic modeling tutorials here. You can also have the support page, which you can add your questions, which you have added to the question section, and you can also simply use the blue chat icon to chat and ask your questions. The most important questions will be added to the support page, so you can always check out the support page and look at the questions and the answers you have.